Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to this week's Locksport update. This is a very fun video series that I run every single Saturday, which is a great place for me to update the community on anything that I've been working on, and a really great place for the community to update everyone on what they've been working on. If you have anything that you would like to see shared next week, I highly recommend you drop it in the comment section below, and let's get started with this week's Locksport update. Thank you so much for checking out this week's Locksport update. If you happen to be new here, thank you so much for checking out this video and subscribing. If you haven't checked out my channel before, I am HelpfulLockPicker, and my channel is dedicated to making really great how-to videos and doing really great community outreach videos. My ultimate goal is to have a lot of videos out there for people to be able to get started friction-free, and also have a great place for people to share all of their great accomplishments so all of these great channels can be known. What I would like to do is see this community grow as a whole, and I just want to see how far we can get Locksport. This is such a fun community to be a part of, and I'm so happy to do anything I can to keep it going in the direction that it is in. Last week I left a poll in my last Locksport update video which asked, should we do a community countdown video? We have gotten a resounding no, and I do not want to push it any further. My initial idea was we would do a community-based selection, and it would not be based off of rank like subscribers or video views, but based off of merit. I completely understand that we do not want to put any animosity in the community. We're just here to have fun, and it is not going to be a rank-based thing. I thought it would be a fun idea, but I do not want to push it any further, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that casted your vote. I highly respect your opinion, and I'm not going to push it anymore. This week also I got a package in from a really cool channel, Lockpicker. Lockpicker sent me this package here, which I will open in a future video. On the inside there are going to be some Mad Bob picks and also a Peterson pick. What he has requested I do is I open up the package and do a review on it, and I hope to do that in a video coming up soon. I'm very excited to check these out, and I'm really excited to see what Mad Bob picks are all alike in person. I have heard a lot of good things about them, but I have never actually used them personally. Lockpicker, thank you again for sending these to me, and I cannot wait to get started on that. Another thing that Lockpicker is working on in the future is going to resemble my Feature Channel of the Week series. What he would like to do is pick a channel every week or so. I'm not sure how frequently he wants to do it, but he'd like to feature a channel and share them in the community and just show how great these channels are and just try to give them some really great recognition. Lockpicker has selected my channel as to be one of the ones to start it off, and I'd like to say thank you very much, and I am really excited to get started on this. I am going to try to provide him with whatever information he needs, and I'm excited to see how Lockpicker's series will begin. If you guys haven't checked out Lockpicker already, what I'm going to do is roll a really quick clip of his channel.
Hey guys, Lockpicker here. I want to show you a project I've been working on now. As you have probably seen before in my previous videos, I'm looking for different ways to show people's creative sides when it comes to locksport and lockpicking. I've gotten some advice from some wonderful people. I've reached out to pick makers, manufacturers, pick artists, and if I started naming people, we would be here for a while, and I've gotten tons of great feedback, just tons of it.
Thank you so much for checking out Lockpicker. If you enjoyed the video clip that you saw and all the information that I've shared, and you would like to check out his channel further, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Another thing that I'm really excited about this week is Beginner Lockpicking Diaries. Beginning Lockpicking Diaries is a side hobby. He's really into leather work, and as I have shared in prior update videos is that he has been working on making me a leather everyday carry case. It has been a little bit of a process. He's doing it on his free times, and this is a lot of work to do. And I just want to say, Beginner Lockpicking's Diary, thank you so much for making this case, and I'm so excited to see it. I'm going to share some of the update photos of this case. This case has come a really long way, and as of current, he said that he is working on the final stitching and gluing the material together, and it should be finished very shortly. I am so excited to get this case in, and I cannot wait to see it in person. If you haven't checked out Beginner Lockpicking Diaries already, what I'm going to do is roll a very quick clip from his channel.
This is a very quick and dirty video answering your question on how to get into these funny little cam locks.
Thank you so much for checking out Beginner Lockpicking Diaries. If you enjoyed the information that I have shared and you enjoyed the very quick clip that I have shared with you, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Another thing that I'd like to share this week is a lot of people shared in the comments section that they were a little disappointed that I did not do a full demonstration on my silver bullet lockpick that I got in. I do plan to do a better demonstration on it in the future, but the only reason I didn't do it is on the update videos it is not a really in-depth video, and I would like to do this pick justice. I do still need to get some more time in with it so I can really understand it more, but essentially when you take a look at this, I just want to refresh on some of the cutouts here, 1 through 5 and then 1 through 6. These are broken up between abloy and abus, I believe, so you can decode it. When you pull this out here, I have it aligned with the 0 marker on the 0 to 5 so that the tensioner tip will align with the pick tip itself, as you can see right here. When I got this, I was told that the tensioner tip was going to be most likely defective or break pretty quickly. As you can tell, this one can free spin pretty easily, and that's going to make it so you cannot tension the locks very effectively because the weld point was not very strong. What lockfault.com did is they sent me a replacement tensioner tip which is much stronger and is working very well. I am still working on trying to get much better at disc detainer picks. I've been very busy and have not had the time that I'd like to be able to dedicate to mastering this new craft. But this is the tool. I'm going to try to share it in more detail in the future, but I just wanted to share a really quick close-up of it so everyone can get a really good look at the silver bullet if they were curious. Essentially how it's going to work is you're going to stick the tip all the way into the back of the lock. You're going to tension on the rear disc, and then you're going to move this piece down, which is going to be the pick itself, and then you're going to look at all of the cutouts so you can see how far down you're on the lock. Based off the feedback, you're going to feel the disc set, and once you get all the disc set, the lock will open up. Assuming the disc lock does not have any false gates, it should be very straightforward and should not be too daunting of a task. But either way, guys, this is my silver bullet, and I'm going to move on with the next step of the Locksport update video. So moving forward, the next thing that I'd like to share is going to be Lockmania. Lockmania shared that he has recently reached 400 subscribers, and that is such a really great milestone. I just want to say congratulations to you. What Lockmania is doing right now is he is doing a 400 subscriber giveaway, and I'm so excited to see him doing that. Lockmania is so dedicated to the community. He shares channels with me every week that no one else knows about. He's always sharing great ideas and just trying to get really involved. What I'm going to do is share a really quick clip of Lockmania so you can check out his channel.
Hey guys, it is Wednesday and that means it is challenge lock time. Today I have, there we have it, Ben. That's the bidding, very nice deep cut there. And I honestly don't know who made this, TS14 and it says Ben. I don't know who made it, but and I can't remember where I got this. Or who I got it from, but we will give it a go.
Thank you so much for checking out Lockmania. If you have not checked him out already and you'd like to learn more about him or even check out his giveaway, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Another channel that I'd like to share this week is going to be Pocket Women. Pocket Women has shared last week that she is going to be doing a lockout tagout giveaway. If you're not familiar with her channel, what I'm going to do is share a really quick clip of it right now.
Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport. Today it's Lockout Tagout Tuesday. Hashtag Lotto Tuesday. This is a series where we feature our lockout tagout locks, locks that keep our workers safe. Now today I'm going to explode this little beastie. With all the comments and stuff, I've had lots of advice on what this could be, but we still haven't been able to work out what it is. Is it a slider? Is it a wafer? Is it a slider and wafer? So the only way to find out is to explode it.
Thank you so much for checking out Pocket Women, and if you'd like to learn more about her giveaway or anything more about her channel, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out Pocket Women and consider subscribing. Pocket Women, thank you so much for sharing about your giveaway, and I am so happy to see your channel grow each and every day, and it is really fun to watch all of our community members grow. So the next thing that I'm going to mention today is going to be a few channels that were mentioned to me by Lockmania, and these are some very small channels that you may have not heard about before. The first one is going to be Cardiff Picker 1. Cardiff Picker 1 has a very small channel, and what I'm going to do is roll a very quick clip of that channel right now. Thank you so much for checking out Cardiff Picker 1. If you'd like to learn more about them and check out more videos by them, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check out their channel and consider subscribing. Another channel that Lockmania shared with me goes by Jagan383 Locksport. This is a very small channel as well, and I'm going to roll a very quick clip of them so you can check them out. Thank you so much for checking out Dragon383 Locksport. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more by them, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link to their channel in the video description below so you can check them out. I can only link up 5 cards, so if you'd like to try to find their channel, I highly recommend you check out the video description and check them out and consider subscribing. And the last thing that I'd like to mention this week is going to be Ryan7. Ryan7 is a very small Locksport channel that Lockmania discovered, and he'd like to share the channel with you all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a very quick clip of Ryan7 right now. Thank you so much for checking out Ryan7. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to consider seeing more videos by him, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link in the video description below so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Thank you guys so much for checking out this week's Locksport update. As always, if you have any updates that you'd like to see shared, please drop them in the comment section below, and I'd love to try to share them next week. But either way, guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much for checking this out.